Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box.
Alright, what's up, guys? It's Keem E90. Matter call me Inmotion, Royal Chases, New York Street Cars. What's up? I'm with the team. Team right here. Original Super, that's me. I'm fucked up, I'm new. This is my boy Danny. E90. And this is the new recruit, E92, 335. 335. Yo, say what's up, guys.
What's up, Brody?
What's up?
Vlogging?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I am vlogging. Yo, we out? Yo, Danny. We out? About to go look at some cars, man. The lineup is amazing. Niggas about to hit me. Niggas don't beat on me, nothing. It's another 330 car. I love it. This shit is lit. This shit is lit. They about to race, guys. Shout out to these guys. It's lit. A whole lot of other cars.
They so we about to get burned out.
I'm just walking, man. Just walking. Trying to see what the fuck going on, man. Got the McLaren over there. Fuck these niggas. Fuck these niggas. Oh, shoot. Look who it is. This is Dave from NY Street Cars. Yo, say what's up to the vlog, man.
What's up, niggas?
I'm vlogging now.
New York Street Cars. Know the vibes.
Yes, sir.
Selling that street sauce.
Right, these guys, I don't know what they doing. VQs is out. My boy D'Angelo would have liked this, and he's gonna like that I mentioned him in my vlog. Just raced over the speed bump, which is fucking amazing.
Yo, somebody take that man's home.
I don't know who recommended that, really, but I wouldn't do it. It's not something I would do, even though I'm not racing because I have a slow N54 and I'm stock, and you know. But it's okay though, cause watch, you know,
See the burnout.
y'all gonna see the build. The build is coming, man. I got some. I was about to tell y'all what I got on the way, but I'm not gonna do that. I wonder where my boy Inmotion is at. Shout out Relentless over there. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, what?
Say what's up to my vlog.
You gonna do a vlog now? This guy big stuff over here.
What's up?
Big things.
famous.
I see you.
It's been a while, man.
Yes.
Can I get a hug?
I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug. How's everything?
Good, man.
When did you start vlogging?
Today.
Well, you gotta start somewhere.
Is that a mini A series?
It's a G7X. This is the famous photographer right here.
Romeo. I wish I was there.
Just tell him your name, man.
Romeo. What's good? Book me. Follow